So it never occurred to me that people might not necessarily know what a dial indicator is. So this is, you know, traditionally how it'd be used. You'd have something rotating, which is going to be the dual chuck, and you'd then put your indicator up against it, sort of zero it out, and then watch for the deviation of the needle, how far it moves, and it tells you how much, you know, out of alignment you are. And then you can correct for this. However, on this drill press, the quill, the spindle, the thing that actually rotates is bent. Initially, I thought it was the taper between the chuck and the spindle. It's not. It's actually crooked. So that's what we'll see here. So as I spin it, it goes up. We sort of hit the furthest point that it is away from us, which you'd like to think is the opposite side to the high spot, and then we should see it drop off. If you start seeing sort of 2 or 3 high spots, then it's not circular, whatever you're measuring, and obviously you're going to get some indication of that. So there we go. Hope that explains it if you're not fully read in on dial test indicators. Well, test indicators. Sorry, dial indicators. Yeah, there we go. On with the main show. I hope you've enjoyed the build. This has just been a quick video. Have a see what's going on. This is the giveaway box. I've got the details for who it needs to go out to, so someone lucky will be receiving that. I think he'll be quite happy with it. So let's open this little beauty up. It's got the nice hammer in here, some felt line receivers, and a nice felt line box. Some stickers. What was that? Where do I get them? Check the link, not the link, the card somewhere. So yeah, this was the giveaway hammer I made a few videos ago that I said I'd give away, and this is the box. You know, just a bit better then, isn't it? To all the subscribers, thanks very much. It really does mean a lot. Anyone new watching, I mean, brilliant. Subscribe and you get to, you know, automatically entered into these draws. And yeah, hopefully see you around. Massive, huge thanks again to anyone that's subscribed.